Good evening, parents. My name is Dr. Montero. I'm the school principal, and I'm super excited to welcome you to tonight's open house. Our teachers are working really hard to make this year a huge success. And I'm excited about last year's success, giving us momentum into this year. Our students have tons of opportunities here at Somerset, whether it's through the curriculum and academics or through activities and sports. There's always a place for your child here. We take a lot of pride in building our students to be successful not only here in high school and college, but in life. So thank you for choosing Somerset. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Good luck to our teachers tonight.
Hi, I'm Karina Iber, the Vice Principal at Somerset Academy. Welcome to the 24-25 school year. I am looking forward to many accomplishments from our students and basically just having all our students reach their goals.
Welcome everyone. My name is Ed Miller. I'm an assistant principal here at Somerset Academy, going on my 24th year working here. I want to welcome everyone to our fantastic school. I thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful time.
Hi, welcome to our open house. I'm Christy Cardoso. I'm one of the assistant principals here in the Middle High campus. I'm looking forward to an amazing year of collaboration and support, working with teachers, students, and parents to take student achievement to a different level.
Hi everyone, my name is Ms. Valdez. I'm one of your assistant principals here at Somerset. I want to welcome all of our parents, students, and teachers to the 24-25 open house.
Hi, my name is Christy Stewart. I'm the lead teacher, activities director, and gifted coordinator for the Middle High. I just want to welcome everybody today to our open houses. I know it's going to be a great year.
Hi Panthers, my name is Miss Giampaolo, the high school counselor for last names A through F. I'm so excited to work with you guys this year, and Happy New Year!
Welcome Panthers, my name is Miss Randina and I am the high school counselor for grades 9 through 12 and last names G through PA, and I look forward to working with all of you this year.
Welcome Panthers, my name is Gabriela Suarez. I'm the high school counseling director and I'm the counselor for students in grades 9 through 12, last names PE through Z.
Hi, I'm Ms. Escudero and I'm a student support specialist. Welcome Panthers to the 24-25 school year. The favorite part of my job is making sure that all students feel safe and heard here at Somerset.
Hi everyone, welcome to the 24-25 open house. My favorite part of my job is getting to meet all my new students and seeing their growth throughout the year.
Hi, I am Tara Mundy-Zady. I am one of the Brace advisors and I do last names N through Z. Building those connections, I've had these students, or a lot of them, from elementary, so to see them grow into these adults that they are or becoming, it's just wonderful to be able to see.
Hi, I'm Erin Pierce, the Brace Director and Advisor for last names A through M. I'm looking forward to helping the seniors with their college applications and getting their acceptances in.
Hello Somerset family, welcome to our open house. My name is Ms. Villa and I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you. Our school is transitioning to become a fully STEM certified school. What is STEM? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. It's all about helping students learn real-world skills through hands-on projects, problem solving, and creative thinking. This approach will help our students build a strong foundation for the future and open up amazing opportunities. Be out on the lookout for newsletters throughout the year about STEM family nights, career day opportunities, and fun STEM activities that you can do with your child at home. We can't wait to work together to make this an amazing year of learning and discovery. Thank you for your support, and let's get ready for an incredible year.
And go Panthers!
Go Panthers!
Go Panthers!
Go Panthers!
Go Panthers!